Supplements I use to bulletproof my health. Hello world, sonofthesol here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you breathing today? Hey, today is a beautiful day. I did a nice little jogging. I'm still panting right now. Got the sun in my face. I had the D3. Got that O2. I was drinking that H2O. Let's go. All right, listen. This video is about supplements that I use currently to improve my health. Now, the world's going crazy. People are waking up. People are falling asleep. There's a lot going on right now. And one of the best things you can do for yourself is focus on your health. One of the best things you can do for yourself. Now, health is wealth. I don't put a price tag on my health. You know what I'm saying? So I'm willing to invest in whatever means so I can take a step further into improving my health. You understand? Like I take that seriously. I'm willing to pay for it. So I know, like, you know, there's a lot of people who are on a budget, you know, we're trying to figure things out and such. This should be an incentive for you to go out there and figure it out. Like, figure it out, seriously. Figure it out. What are you gonna do to make more money? You understand? So you can take that energy, that the what you provide to the marketplace, you take that energy and you put it into, you understand? Stuff like this, supplements, different types of foods, cooking courses, anything to improve your health. Like, come on, let's get it. YouTube is your best friend when it comes to health. People are sharing health tips all over. So there's no excuses, no excuses. We have no excuses. Now, let's get into this. First supplement. It's from this brand called Aura. Aloe Gorgeous. Now, this is a powder. This is a collagen supplement that I use. Now, collagen, the purpose of me buying this collagen supplement is for my joints, first of all. Collagen production has a lot to do with your joint health, the elasticity of your tendons. So, I picked this bad boy up because I had an impingement on my shoulder. You know, like with my workout journey, I've been working out a lot, and this actually really hindered my workouts. It came to a point where it was so painful that, like, I couldn't even do a simple push-up. Like, that sucked. That was not cool, man. Let me tell you something with health is wealth. Like, when something is in pain, like when you get an injury somewhere, like, you don't realize how much you use it on a daily basis. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's an eye-opener. So this is what I use it for. I use it for my joints. There's plenty of benefits to this collagen supplement. You know, it's good for your skin. But yeah, that's what I use it for. So, you know what? I'm gonna make a bunch of videos to, like, get into details of the supplements that I use, but I'm just gonna go over an overview. I don't want to make this video too long. Just gonna make this quick, straight to the point. All right. So, next one. This right here. This is the highlight of the year right here. It's a brand called Juve. This is Zinc. It's a zinc supplement. Now, back in March, late March, I got sick, and it was the weirdest sickness ever. And I lost my sense of taste and my sense of smell. And what I learned is when your body is depleted of zinc, you lose your sense of taste and you lose your sense of smell. Now, why would it be depleted? Because your immune system is using zinc to destroy a virus. You understand? So zinc is your best friend right now. If you have an anxiety, you don't know what's gonna happen with your life, you don't know what's gonna happen with your health, you don't know what's going on, if you're gonna catch it, whatever the case may be, this right here, give your body some ammo. Get some zinc in your system. You understand? Now you can use nuts and seeds. They have zinc I coupled that with a supplement, and this is the supplement right here that I use. Has 455% zinc in it. It's 100 capsules in here. It's gonna last me 3 months. What's up? Boost your immune system now. Next one, this is my favorite supplement right here, ashwagandha. Now, ashwagandha is an herb, right? And they give it the term an adaptogen herb, meaning bring back into balance. That's basically what it means, to bring back into balance. So, for instance, one of the great effects of ashwagandha is your cortisol levels. So if you have too much cortisol levels in the body, it brings that shit down. If you have too little cortisol, it brings that shit up into balance. Now this is good for weightlifters, bodybuilders, people who exercise all the time, who work out all the time, because it manages your cortisol levels. And what that does is it helps you burn more fat and build more muscle. This bad boy right here. This is a brand called Tribe Organics. I trust their brand. They use a specific type of the ashwagandha herb, KSM66. Like I said, I'm going to get into more details on it, but yeah, boom. You got to have this bad boy right here. Sexual impotence, erectile dysfunction. If you have thyroid problems, you know what I'm saying? As a man, if you can't get it, you can't get that boy rocky. This right here helps. I know a lot of us, we've been through that before. I've been through that before. It is what it is, but this right here, this will help you out. Next, Chlorella. Now, Chlorella is very powerful. The purpose I used this for was to detox. Now, Chlorella has a way of binding into heavy metals and toxins in the body, and it helps you, pulls that together, and it allows you to excrete it out your system. You shit it out, boom. You know what I'm saying? In regards to heavy metals, there are a lot of people right now who have fillings in the teeth, right? If you had fillings from way back in the day, if you have fillings still, there's a layer that they put over it, right? Because the filling that they put in is mercury, which is one of the deadliest metals known to man, right? And they put that shit in your mouth, and over time, you have saliva, so your saliva is made to dissolve things, right? So it dissolves that layer, and then soon enough, you're eating mercury on a daily basis. And there's a shitload of health problems when it comes to mercury, levels of mercury in your system. So this is a great way to detox right here. Boom. I use this to detox. Plenty of health benefits to it. The nutritional profile is crazy. It's got 2 grams of protein per serving. 2 grams, 2 whole grams. That's crazy. Vitamin A, vitamin D, B2, B6. It's got folate, it's got B12, iron, phosphorus, magnesium. And it's saying it's got that B12 for your brain health, right? It's got chlorophyll. It's got lutein. It's got omega-3s and omega-6s. This is some good stuff right here. You want to detox? Check this out right here. Now I'm gonna have a link to these supplements that I have. I got all this off of Amazon. But I can put a link down below. If you click the link, I might get a little commission if you purchase it. That's cool. I appreciate that, if anything. But anyways, let's keep going. The next right here, right? Now this brand is called Ambrosia, and this is a protein powder that I have called Planta. Now I've been I've been following this guy on YouTube. His name is Mike Rashid. This guy, he's like the big brother I never had, like seriously. And when it comes to health, like he takes it seriously. So this is a vegan protein powder that I use. They use pea protein and rice protein as the source. And the greatest thing about it is that its nutritional profile is crazy. You don't see this with a lot of protein powders, like whey protein and such, right? Like it's got all of this right here. Like it's got almost everything. Like seriously, got vitamin A, C, D3, E, K, B1, B2, B3, B6, folic acid, B12, biotin, B5. Then you got your minerals, you got your calcium, you got your iron, phosphorus, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, manganese, sodium, potassium. It's got everything in it. And it should taste good. This boy tastes good right here. This is peanut butter banana flavor. They got different flavors. I tried a couple of them out. I tried peanut butter cup. Got a joint called peanut butter cup. That shit is good. It mixes well with shakes. Hold on, let me show you something else. This right here, this is banana maple French toast. So you got different flavors. Test them out, see how you like it. Yeah. So yeah, I think I did it. Yeah, this is what I use to build my muscle. To build muscle, I use that as my part of my workout regimen, my post-workout meal. I'll have this right here. But yeah, that's everything that I have so far. There's a couple of supplements that I didn't mention, and that's because I don't have it anymore. Like I use it up, I have to order again. And yeah, man, like health is wealth. Like seriously, health is wealth. Like take that shit seriously. I'll keep preaching that shit. Because if we take care of our bodies, you know, we can take care of our performance throughout the day. And your productivity is how you're gonna live your life. Your behavior is connected to your behavior. So health is wealth. Find ways to get better, find ways to get ahead. Research, invest in your body, get to know your body. This should be a class. This should be a class. We're supposed to have this in public school. Learning about how to take care of our health. You understand? So do that. You're gonna have that glow, you're gonna be shining. Ugh. Stay bright, because you are the light. Peace.